is Furqan? That's the name of the Quran, and it's one of the chapters, Surah Al-Furqan. What is Furqan? What's the criterion? It's that thing, that divide, that teaches me that there is truth and there is falsehood. The Quran is a book, teaches me and you what is truth, what is falsehood. It's not somebody's opinion, and in this country this is true, in another country this is false, and in this time of the year this is false, or this time of the year this is true, or 100 years ago was false, now it became true. No, these are all human beings' opinion. It can change. We all change. But when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Al-Furqan, that is the book that will teaches me what's truth, what's true, and what is false, I need again to open it and I say, Ya Allah, I am so confused. Ya Rabbi, everything around me is making me so confused. I reached a point, a lot of us are feeling this, especially these days. Ya Rabbi, so many things I used to know it this way, now it turned to be that way. I know this was always wrong, now everyone is saying it is right, and vice versa. Show me, Ya Rabbi. You said your book is Al-Furqan. Show me and teach me. تبارك الذي نزل الفرقان على عبده. Why? ليكون للعالمين نذيرا. So it will warn people. The Quran will teach me, if nothing the Quran teach me. And I cannot even say this word, but the Quran teaches me who I am and who is my Lord. And what is this life? What is this dunya all about? And what is the akhirah? If you just look at this, you're going to see how truth is truth or how falsehood is falsehood.